Hey guys, what's going on? I'm pulling into one of my favorite little fishing holes. There's big bass, big bluegill, and I just seem to always end up having a lot of good luck fishing in this particular spot. Like always, I got to this place and talked to the old man that owns it for probably about 30 to 45 minutes. But I like talking to the guy. It's never ever a burden when it comes to talking to that old joker. He's a heck of a guy. Well, we ain't getting in nowhere if I don't unlock the doors, fellas. I'm gonna start off just tossing a night crawler out here. I did not bring my sunglasses with me, so I can't tell you if them fish are bedding quite yet. Can't believe we didn't get a bite right there. Reedy, we got a bite here. Oh yeah. Look at that beautiful, just beautiful bluegill. There's a bite. Beautiful gill there. Right there. Man, the fillets on that joker right there are just some. He's good, bud. They're just beautiful. I got huge hands, by the way. That is a super nice gill right there. My hand there beside him. I got some monster hands there. That's another 8 or 9 inch fish right there. It's just beautiful. There's a bite. That feels like a good fish right there. Heck yeah. Beautiful big gill right there. Just another beautiful solid fish. I tell you right now, fellas, my finger is plumb sore. Oh man, just cut right up there on all them nerve endings, and oh man, it just hurts so bad. On these night crawlers, I'm actually only using about 3/4 of them. I'll actually come right at the egg sac right here. I just break that off right there when I'm fishing for these bigger bluegill. They don't swallow them as bad. If I was going to eat some, I'd have me some red worms out here and I'd be catching a bunch. But I don't like them swallowing them, because I wasn't planning on keeping anything. So I try to do my best. Even though I do believe that red worms catch fish better. With this, with that longer eagle claw, I just feel like it's just super duper consistent. I use the number 2s and 4s a lot. That would be the barbed, the bait hooks. I'm sorry, the number 2 and 4 bait hook. And then once I get to night crawlers in the river, use that number 2 a lot for the smaller catfish, and then for the big drum and the bigger catfish, if I get into them, I actually use a number 1/1/0 eagle claw, which is similar to the bait hook. start up here kind of tight. Let's start up here kind of tight to the grass here. See if we can roll us out one. There's a bite. Anything. Man, that fish fought. There's a good gill there. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bluegill. There's a bite. That is a monster green sunfish. Wow. False alarm. I thought that was a... Phew, that's what they say about fish jumping. That is just a dandy. A dandy gill right there. But that's okay too. I thought that I had a giant green sunfish, and there is some huge green sunfish in this. Bite. Oh, swimming at me. Oh, poop. Fish. I'd assume I'm probably gonna get a bite right there. There he is. He got it. Oh, pulled it out of his mouth. There's one. Oh, there. Sorry, little buddy. That is a perfect bluegill to go into my cut bait category. I did want a couple fish for cut bait because I planned on leaving here after catching enough to make a video, going and dropping a couple lines for a catfish. I would There's what we came here for, guys. Is this just beautiful? Beautiful. That is actually a hybrid between a bluegill and a sunfish. And you see these things on his gills right here? Now there is cattle over there. That's actually a parasite that they get. Yeah, this fish is bleeding. Crap, I don't want to kill this thing. I gotta grab some pliers. I don't think it's got him bad. Anyways, what I was saying is that parasite there on the gills right there actually caused from cow manure. I learned that after catching. I was catching a bunch of fish that day, and a couple of them swallowed the hook, and I wasn't planning on keeping them. That fish is going home with me. Dang it. Well, I got cut bait. I did not want to keep that fish. I love seeing them fish. I love catching them. But unfortunately, that one swallowed my hook, and That's fishing, folk, right there. But that parasite is, like I say, it just comes from animal manure getting into the pond. Maybe he spread it on his field and it came down. I did read that it is harmless to humans, but that day I just had a couple swallow the hook in the place I was fishing. I took them home and they all had parasites. I didn't eat them. Then I found out that I could have, but still kind of weirded me out. Seriously? Seriously. What is wrong with you guys? It's not a big one, but that is just a green sunfish right there. It's just a straight green sunfish, but that last one I caught was actually a hybrid. This fish bit it, took off and stopped. Nothing else happened, so I thought maybe it dropped it. Well, it was sucking it down its throat. I actually started thinking, I'm gonna throw that small bluegill back. I've got both of those green sunfish. Sis, come on. Let's go. Come on, Zizi. Come on, girl. In the truck. In. Good girl. Stay. This rain cloud here, it looks like it's here to stay for a little while. Appreciate you guys watching. I had so much fun making this. If you learned something, just let me know. Like, share this video. If you could, give me a subscribe. I'm pretty new at this and I would love to continue and try to build this channel to the best channel possible. And just outdoor related, archery related, life related. Heck, I may be playing a guitar next week for you. I don't know. But remember, guys, Jesus died on the cross for your sins. God loved you so much, he sent his only son to die here for you. Appreciate that, and you're going to go far in life. The love of Jesus Christ, there's nothing like it. Peace out, guys.